Don't leave this meeting in between. Now, the note is you have a class test on 29th, that is Wednesday, of data handling. Now let's start what we have done till now. We have done solving equations topic, in which we have seen some things. Let me tell you one by one again. Please discuss 4.3 question 1 E part. Vivan. Okay. Question 1 E part. Exercise 4.3 I am discussing. Please see clearly what I am doing. 5 by 2x is equal to minus 5. First thing we have to understand, solving means. What do we mean by solving? Solving means finding the value of variable. Finding value of variable. Solution means, solving means finding the value of, beta which chapter test? Data handling. Okay, so solving means finding the value of variable. In this question, variable is x. To find the value of variable, the best way is to make it alone on a particular site. The best way to make it alone on a particular site. If you see, first thing, that 2 is dividing over here and 5 is multiplying over here. So we have to take away 2 and 5. Rachit, your video is on. Rachit, is your video on? Please don't push me. One second. Sorry, sir, I did not notice. Next time, if you notice or not notice, I will just make you out of this class. Okay? Don't switch on your video by any case. Now, so we can see this 2 is extra over here. This 5 is extra over here. We have to see what they are doing on the left hand side with the variable. They are getting divided and multiplied with the variable. So first thing is, first step, take 2 to right hand side. You can write take or transpose, anything that you want. Transpose 2 to right hand side. You can say also on left hand side it was dividing, therefore on right hand side it will multiply. So here we only multiply it. Yes beta, you can do that also. It becomes minus 5 into 2. First thing. Now you can solve it. It becomes minus 10. Now what is extra over here? Extra is 5. Now extra is 5. So we will take it to that side. So transpose 5 to right hand side. Again it was multiplying on left hand side, therefore it will divide on right hand side. It becomes x is equal to minus 10 upon 5 and answer is minus 2. I hope. Yes, Vivan, we can take. If you have understood this thing, I will tell you a short way also. We have taken first the 2 and then the 5. I will tell you the whole fraction can also go to the right side. We can take the whole fraction to the right hand side also. It is not an issue. I will tell you how. Sir, we can take 5 first and then 2. Yes, Ashima, no issue. You can take that also. I have told you these questions are having many ways to solve. Okay, I am taking one more way. Suppose the same question, I want to take the whole fraction at once. Yes, beta. We can take the whole fraction at once to right hand side. How? Please say. Question number 2D part. Okay. Please see. What do you know? This whole fraction is multiplying with x. Can you observe? The whole fraction is multiplying with x. we can see the whole fraction is multiplying with x. Therefore, we can say transpose 5 upon 2 to RHS. It was in multiplication on right, left hand side. Therefore, it will come in division on right hand side. So here we have 5 by 2. When it goes to that side, it will become in division like this. Normally we take reciprocal. I am telling you how the reciprocal came. Okay, so this is the value. Now we all know how to solve this. We can take it as minus 5 upon 1. Then we can write from chapter number 2 we have learned the first term remain as it is. Division becomes multiplication and this becomes reciprocal 2 upon 5, and this 5 and 5 will cancel. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and that is the answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Any other doubt in question number 1? Please ask. Please explain again the whole fraction way. Okay, I will take one more example for you then. Okay, to understand the fraction way, I will take one more example for you. Let me take example number I. Let me take example number I. Sir, like we have done in part A. Yes, beta. I am taking I part. You are taking F part. Beta, let's take I part. Huh? Or you can take J part also. Let's take J part. J part. J part, let's take it. It is 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now, all of you tell me, we have two parts extra over here. One part is multiplying, one part is subtracting from the variable. Which thing will you take to right side first? What will you take to the right side first? All of you, which thing will you take to the right side first? Very good, beta. Rishi, Ekta, Naina, Parth. Sir, how can you verify E problem? Okay, you want to verify also. Let me tell you how to verify. After this question, I will tell you. So, we will just take this 5 to the right side first. So, we will write like this. Transpose 5 to right hand side. On left side, it was getting subtracted. It was getting subtracted. Therefore, on right hand side, it will be added. All of you, we know when you cross the border, the property changes. Addition to subtraction, subtraction to addition, multiplication to division, division to multiplication. That's it. Okay. So we will have 2 by 3 into b is equal to 3 plus 5. So we have transposed 5 to the right hand side. Further solving it, it becomes 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now tell me, if you see this whole fraction 2 by 3 is getting multiplied with b. So what is the next step, all of you? Please tell me, what is the next step? Please tell me, what is the next step? Very good. We will take and write transpose 2 by 3 to right hand side. Then you will write on LHS, because on LHS it was getting multiplied. Therefore, on RHS it will divide. Okay, so you will write like this. B becomes 8 divided by 2 upon 3. Then we all know how to solve it. You can take 8 as 8 upon 1. Further, it becomes 8 upon 1. This becomes multiply. This becomes reciprocated like this. and you can solve it now. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12 is the correct answer. We will take whole fraction. Yes, beta. I hope it is clear to everyone. Sir, how will you give the test? But in the same way, Google Forms. Ryan, I have explained every step very slowly. Okay, please see this again on the YouTube channel now. F part also, G part also, है ना? All parts I should do only. Now see, let me take G part. G part is good. Let me take G part. The last part from this question. I'm taking G part, the last part from question number 1. It is your homework. You should do it on your own. At the back, answers are given. After solving, please check the answer. Okay. Also discuss with your friends. If you're not getting the answer, you can discuss with your friends who are getting the answers correct. They can also help you. So you have got this thing. I will not take F part now. You will do F part on your own. Just see this one. In this case, please tell me, what will you transpose first? What will you transpose first? Very good, Rishi. I know, but I've done this already. We will transpose 19 by 2. So first step is transpose 19 upon 2 to RHS, because on left side it was adding, it was getting added, or you can add adding only. It was adding. Therefore, on right side it will be subtracted. So it becomes 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2. Now solve it. Now comes the part of LCM. All of you, LCM means lowest common multiple. If you don't remember, okay, because everything you forget now that you have studied earlier. So we have to make the fractions like first. To solve it, beta, who said 19 by 2 is in division? Please see the question again. They are in addition only. Lavya, please see again. 19 by 2 is in addition with variable, not in division. Please check again. Okay, Lavya, please confirm. It is adding over here. Okay, now let's see. LCM is 2. So let me make it 2 only. 13 upon 1 we have. Multiply by 2 and 2. It becomes 13 to the 26. 2 1s are 2. 19 by 2. For your information, I have done this to make the fractions like those who are not getting this, because you have this tendency to forget everything that you have done. Now we can subtract it. It becomes LCM 2, 26 minus 19. We will get, what is this? 7 upon 2. So we have got this thing. Now what shall we do? We will transpose this 7 to right hand side. Transpose 7 to RHS, because 7 was multiplying in left hand side, therefore it will divide on right hand side. So we will get, see, we will get m is equal to 7 upon 2 divided by 7. And now this 7 can be seen as 7 upon 1. It becomes 7 upon 2. This can be written as multiplication. This will be reciprocated. It is a very, what you say, sad thing that I have to show all these steps just to make you clear the things we have done already. So m is equal to how much? M equal to 1 upon 2 is the right answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now I will take question number 2. Now let's say question number 2. Sir, please go up. See, I am up now. Now, Hazel, now what happened? But all these things are in the lecture also, in the YouTube also. You can take screenshot from there also. Don't waste this half an hour. Don't waste this half an hour that we have to study. Okay. Let's see. Question number 2. I will take test using Google form. Don't ask again. Please don't behave like a child in front of me. Question number 2 is question 2 D part. Okay. D part, let's see. So how can you verify? Okay, let's see first how to do the verification. We have seen in question 1 E part, the answer was, we have got the answer as x equal to -2. If you remember, we have solved above. Now Mervin wants to check Mervin wants to verify this because he thinks that NCERT has given the right answer and sir has given the wrong answer. So let us, this chapter is very confusing. Ryan, confusing is nothing. You have to work hard, okay? Nothing is confusing. Now to verify, we will take left hand side. Take left hand side. What is left hand side? -5 by 2x. Now put the value of x equal to how much? -2. So we have taken the left hand side. Now we put the value of x in the left hand side. It becomes, one second, answer was -2 only, no? It is 5 by 2x. So it is like this. We have put the value of x. Beta Abhas, I am not serious. The thing is, I am getting hurt with all these comments that I am getting. In the last PTM, after all these efforts that I have put, you are still saying you are not able to get. That means you are not practicing well at home. These chapters are interlinked. Please revise. If you want everything to go joyfully, please revise. Just complaining that I'm not getting will not help you or me. Okay? So we have to cut these two. I take class 9th and 7th also. Sorry, 8th also. So these two will cut. We will have -1 into 5 equal to -5. And Avneet, sorry, Melvin, you can see this is your right hand side. So we are correct and NCERT is wrong. The answer given in NCERT of this question is wrong. Correct answer is -2 only. I hope you got it now. Okay. Mervin, now is it okay? I have taken left hand side. I have put the value of x. I have got the answer. Okay. Now see question number 2 D part. I don't have this habit to speak this time many again and again. Please work hard at your home also. Question number 2. Let me take D part. It is -4 into 2 plus x for equal to 8. Sir, please A part. Now see, A part is there. Beta, every part is same. Why don't you understand this thing? Every part is same, every concept is same. Let me do A part then first. All the time same issue, no? 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. Understand this thing? First, I will tell you what we did in chapter number 1. We studied that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is known as distributive property. Because in chapter 1, which we did 5 years ago, in this we did this property. I hope many of you are remembering this. Still, I am showing you this thing. Because this is A into B, then plus sign will come, then A into C. Similar way we will do here. This will multiply with this, and this is known as distributive property. Okay, so 2 into x will give you 2x, then we have a plus sign, then we have 2 into 4, that is 8, is equal to 12. Now we have got an equation. In this equation we have to take in a similar way. This 8 is extra over here. We will transpose 8 to the right hand side, we all know it was adding over this side, so it will subtract on that side. We will get 2x equal to 12 minus 8. It becomes 2x equal to 4. Now we can say that this 2 is multiplying with x on the left hand side. If you transpose this 2 to the right hand side, it will come in division, that is x equal to 4 upon 2, and the answer will be 2 2s are 4. Those who don't know, let me tell you, 2 into 2 is 4. So that is why I have cut like this. Okay, x equal to 2 is the answer. Good. Still, anyone has doubt? Please ask, because it was a very tough question. If you have doubt, please ask again. Please ask. Okay, now I'm taking the E part. If you keep on behaving like a kid, I will have to behave with you in that way only. D part. Sarvagya, please see this part, D part. This will explain everything, okay? Don't get confused. D part is similar. The concept is same. D part is minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Okay. The test that I will be taking on Wednesday will be of, I think, 20 minutes or 25 minutes. Okay. Time will be given to you. This whole class will be taken for that. Sir, transpose and distributivity are same. No beta. No Abbas. Transpose is different thing. Distributive is different thing. So here also we have a bracket. We know as per the BODMAS rule, we have to first use the brackets. We have to open the brackets. So we will open it. This minus 4 into 2 will become minus 4 2s are, everyone, please tell me, minus 4 2s are, yes, minus 4 2s are, very good, Ekta. So minus 4 2s are minus 8. Minus 4 into plus x, everyone, minus 4 into plus x, please answer. Minus 4 into plus x will give me, minus 4 into x will give me minus 4x, very good, is equal to 8. Now we have to transpose whatever is extra over here. You can see this minus 8 will go first. This minus 8 will go first. Everyone, what do you say? What should we transpose first? What should we transpose first? Minus 8, very good. So we will take transpose minus 8 to right hand side, obviously, because it was, you can write the definition on your own, because it was subtracting on left side, it will add on the right side. So we will have minus 4x equal to 8, which was already present, plus 8 that has come. Lavya Goyal, sir, minus 4x should be transposed first. No beta, the variable will remain at its own place. We want to find the value of variable. That is why we have to keep the variable on its own position, and we will try to make it alone. Lavya, I hope you are getting this. We cannot move the variable here and there, or we can move, but it is not required. Okay, we have to keep the variable fixed on that side. Okay, now all of you, we have minus 4 is equal to 16. Now what should we transpose? All of you, please tell me, what should we transpose? Please tell me. Sir, it should be, Ekta is saying, sir, it was minus 8. How it became plus 8? Very good, Ekta. It was minus 8. Very good. You can see on the left hand side, I have told you the same thing we are doing for eternity now. If you have a minus 8 equal to 0, this minus 8, when it crosses the border, it becomes plus 8. Ekta, this minus 8, which is on the left side, when it changes the border, it becomes plus 8. If the question was a plus 8 equal to 0, in this case, it becomes a equal to 0 minus 8. That's it. I hope you are getting this now. Ekta, simple rule is there. Okay. Now see, this minus 4 we will transpose now. Transpose minus 4 to right hand side. Again, it is getting multiplied on the left hand side. It will divide on the right hand side. So we will have x equal to 16 divided by minus 4. And we all know what to do. We can write 1 over here, 1 over here. It becomes 16 over 1. Multiply, it becomes minus 1 upon 4. So we can cut this. 4 4 is 16. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. So answer is x equal to minus 4. Is it clear to everyone? Please use some of your brain in the class. No? Don't just sit empty-minded in the class. Everything is same concept is being used, still you are not able to get. That means somewhere you are not practicing at home. Anyone else? Now let me take question number 3. Jitesh, but I got it. But why you are getting plus 4, Jitesh? Why you are getting plus 4? Please check. It should be minus 4. Sir, variable can minus. No, beta. The variable should be plus only. We cannot take variable as minus x. Okay. Please repeat this one. But इसीलिए क्या है ना यहाँ पे. 1 second. I told you everything is on the YouTube channel. You can see from there. Time is less. I will take next question now. You have to work hard at home also. It is not only my responsibility to make it clear. I am trying my level best. Please watch the lecture again on YouTube channel. It will be clear to you. Still not clear? You can ask tomorrow. Question number 3. Yes, I know. We have to start from question number 3. And still I am doing 2 questions that we have done already. Question number 3 is, let me take A part. 4 is equal to 5. P minus 2. Same concept is there in every question. I don't know what is the issue. Please take. We can again open the bracket by a distributive law. It becomes 4 is equal to 5 into P is 5P. Then we have minus sign. 5 2s are 10. Now this is the variable. P is the variable. We will have to take this 10 to the left hand side. So transposing 10 to the left hand side. Here it is subtracting. So there it will add. We will have 4 plus 10 is equal to 5P. Now it becomes 14 is equal to 5P. Now to make this P alone, yes, but you can use other property also, no issue. Now we will transpose 5 to the left hand side. It becomes P is equal to 14 upon 5. This is the right answer. And I hope everything is clear till now. Please try these questions on your own. Just thinking that my explaining will help you, it will not. Okay. Let me stop the recording.